Yeah, kia ora. This is the last, the AR3A, and I've just basically cleaned out all the old fiberglass after I pulled the drivers or the mid base and given that a blowout, and then disassembled the terminals, pulled the old terminals out the back, and also released the attenuators from the back as well. This one here I have already disassembled and cleaned inside it, lubricated, and reconfigured the wipers so that it's a tighter fit. And this one here, I've just started to release the pin, and then you can see the wiper inside here. So I'll pull that away, and basically the key here is, obviously, other than a cleanup of the two contact areas here and here, is to get more pressure on the resistor there. It looks pretty good, it looks pretty clean really, but again we'll just give that a spray with lube and clean, and maybe just a very light sand, but I don't think it really needs much. So this one, probably the main thing is contact pressure. So the way to increase that is to just remove this from the pins. See, it's held on place by the pins there, and you've got a back support plate piece there. That won't really need much other than a wipe. And what's best to do there, you can see the shape of it there. So there's a bit of a bend there, but it really needs just a little bit more of a tweak there on both sides. And if that's bent with a bit more angle, see the difference there now compared to what it was. So that's the new angle, a bit more torque on there. And you know, the old, perhaps even go a tad more. Hey, can you ever have too much torque? So there you go, that's about right. And this one here, same deal really, just give it a bend. Oops. Keep it on the bench, of course. Alright, so that's pretty good now. Both of them sort of, and you can see the difference of angle, and thus once compressed inside there, the contact pressure will be maybe not exponentially, but you know, significantly higher. Alright, that's about it for now. So I'll just, as I said, give them a bit of a spray. Well, we may as well do that right now. I'm just using, you know, cleaner and lube. Electrical. So, give that a spray. Give that one a spray. Spray and walk away. No, don't walk away because who's going to finish it? Right, so that's done. Just give them a bit of a time to soak in. As I said, I think I'll give it a light sand. Perhaps even on the contacts, or no, I think I'll just clean those contacts because they're pretty good. And then reassemble those. Also got some new metallized poly caps to go in on the tweeter circuit. That's the new one that went in on the mid, which is a second order, so that's running parallel with the mid-range. Oh no, hang on. Oh, it's a bandpass, so no, that will be in series. Alright, that's about it for now. Hope that's of some help or entertainment value. Cheers for now.